Life is like a cup.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
So just imagine that you are a cup. Insert picture of cup here. If you fill yourself with all these negative emotions, you've only got a certain amount of room left for positive stuff. We were created to be happy, joyful, confident, peaceful, excited. And if you allow worry into your life, then you're pushing out something else. You've only got so much room. The main goal is don't dwell. Take inventory on what you're giving space to in your life. Filling up on the positive. A couple of ways you could do that is listen to audiobooks, listen to positive motivational videos, read. It's all about drawing things to you through being grateful for everyday things. The more you're grateful of certain things, the more you draw it to you.